Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. I found a Porsche 944 driver seat for sale on Marketplace, and so I drove a couple hours to get it. Those are kind of hard to find, and I kind of mentioned in the last video that I've been looking for an OE seat. It's really bright outside, so I'm trying to adjust the camera so you guys can see me. We'll figure it out. But yeah, let me show you the seat real quick. So here it is. Like I said, it's not perfect. Definitely needing cleaned up. So today we're gonna, again, it's super bright, so I apologize, but you can see how dirty it is. We're gonna clean it up today, try to get some of that dust and grime and get some of the black back to its original color. Yeah, so we're gonna clean it up today. So that's what this video is today, cleaning up the seat, and then I'm probably gonna install it, and that might be this video today as well. I might combine it. I might do it a separate video of me installing it in the car. We'll see. I haven't decided yet, so let's get to it. I got a couple old cleaning products just laying around, so I'm cheap. So yeah, let's get to it. Well, guys, it looks a lot better than it did. I know it's kind of hard to tell on video, but we got the black a little bit shinier, brought it back to life. Got a lot of the dust, dirt, and grime out of it. Definitely is not perfect. Needs reupholstered, and that will happen, like I said. But today, we're on a budget, and I wanted to get a OE seat back in the Porsche. If you go watch my last video, you'll see what's in there. I'm hoping this is a lot more comfortable. I've heard good things about the OE seats with their comfortability. So stay tuned. We're gonna get a video going of me installing it and seeing what it feels like. But today, yeah, this was just a cleaning video. So hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. We got a lot more videos lined up for this Porsche. Got a lot to do to it. So appreciate you guys.